Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the tachymeter function. I have three different watches with three different variations and I'm going to show you how to use them. So guys, as you can see, I have here a few variations, and as you can see here, for example, on the bezel I have a few numbers that are for the tachymeter function. Here I have an Omega swatch watch, once again with the numbers on the bezel. And here, the third example, I have a swatch that, as you can see on the inner bezel, has these kilometers per hour. So starting from 1000 and going up to 60. For example, on this one, it starts from 500, 400, and so on. And on the Seiko, 500, 350, and so on as well. So guys, the tachymeter function is used in order to see how fast you are going on a certain distance. So you need a fixed distance of 1 kilometer or 1 mile in order to easily translate that into kilometers per hour or miles per hour. So when you start the race or when your car goes past the starting point, you will start the chronograph. And that is when the time will start to tick. If you are closing down or have just finished the distance of 1 kilometer, you will then stop the chronograph. And for example, let's say that I'm going to stop it at 20 seconds. So as you can see, it took me 20 seconds in order to go 1 kilometer. So that means that I had a speed of 180 kilometers per hour in order to go 1 kilometer in 20 seconds. And as you can see, the more time it takes you, the smaller the speed you had, the less time it takes you, the higher the speed you need to have. And let's say if I even continue, if it took me around 30 seconds, as you can see, I continued with the chronograph and I'm going to stop it at 30 seconds. This is the second example. And if I stop it at 30 seconds, you can see that I have a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. So that is either the speed that you were going with, in case your speed did not fluctuate, meaning you did not accelerate or decelerate. So if you had a constant speed over that 1 kilometer and it took you 30 seconds, that means that you had the speed of 120 kilometers per hour. If your speed fluctuated, meaning you accelerated and decelerated, that means that your average speed was 120 kilometers per hour over that distance of 1 kilometer. As you can see here on the Seiko watch, I have the same thing. We have a nicer sweeping here, so it is not tick, tick, tick. It is more of a mechanical looking sweep. And as you can see, once again, if it took us only 15 seconds, that means that I would have had a speed of around 240 kilometers per hour in order to go 1 kilometer in 15 seconds. And now the last example, as you can see, this is the only one that has 1000 right here. And I can start the chronograph and I can stop it right here. So in order to go 1 kilometer in 4 seconds, that means that I have a speed between 1000 and 700 kilometers per hour. Most likely around 800 or 900 kilometers per hour. If I continue and it took me 5 seconds, so 5 seconds in order to go 1 kilometer, that means that I have a speed of around 700 kilometers per hour. So that was the quick tutorial, guys, on how to use the tachymeter function on your watch. It can be an Omega, a Swatch, a Seiko, a different brand. It doesn't matter. You can use that the same way. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.